In this video, you are going to see how to change the text color in Microsoft PowerPoint. Here I have a text with the black color. Select the text by double click over here or I can click on Ctrl A to select. Now go to over here font color and I can change the color from here very easily. Or let us go to more color. I can pick a color from here. Or there is another option, go to custom, change the color shade from here, select it and click on OK. Then the color will be changed. Click on over here. You can use the eyedropper tool to pick a color from a color palette. Suppose I want to choose color from here. Let us select it, go to over here, go to eyedropper and select this color. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.